Okay, so here's how it goes. You got this one piece that comes up. There's actually two pieces that hooks together. At the top, you tie that off and you bring it through that loop. It comes back down. It goes through this right-hand cleat. Comes back so you can control it and let your sail down if you need to. Notice how that's hooked in there. At the back, you just have it where you tie it off down there on the back of the boat. That comes up through that first swivel, comes up through this swivel, and it's going short now so it doesn't look exactly right, but this dagger board would normally be back all the way down and buckled in. So it just comes through that and then locks into place. And that's all there is to it. You can see the ones that are the little red clip goes on the bottom. Of course, purple with purple. And up here, this one is a yellow connector that goes with the yellow part of the cell. So that makes sense. I'm just too dumb to have known that. Trying to see what else to see here. That's what it should look like when it's all done. Just like that. Pretty straightforward.